Good afternoon, students. So today we will solve one problem on Gauss law. The problem statement is given as a charge configuration is given by rho v is equal to 5 r e raised to minus 2r coulombs per meter cube. Find d using the Gauss law. So this is the statement. So they have given the rho v and we will assume it is as a cylindrical coordinate, and let the Gaussian surface be a right circular cylinder of length L, that is cylindrical coordinates, length is L, then radius is R with axis in Z. Okay, so we know the formula to calculate the D. We know that D is equal to dr into AR. Okay, this be the equation number 1. Then we have the small differential area ds. So and its normal is in the direction AR. So the ds vector ds, it will be in the direction AR, that is R d phi dz in the direction AR. This related with the equation number 2. Then the d dot ds, so therefore the q value, the charge is given by surface integral S d dot ds. So this is equal to integration, surface integral means length and phi you have to take. Length is in z axis, so z will range between 0 to L, then integration phi will range between 0 to 2 pi, then it is dr r d phi dz. So this value we are going to get it as dr into r constant, that is into 2 pi into L. This you can call it as some equation number 3. Okay, so they have given the rho v, that is volume charge density they are given. So what will be the volume? Therefore we know that for volume, if you take small differential volume dV, it will be R dr d phi dz. Okay, this is the equation. This you can take it as equation number 4. Okay, so next, for volume, what is the charge enclosed? So the charge enclosed will be given as Q is equal to volume integral, that is rho v into dV. So this is equal to what we will get. So means it is z ranging from 0 to L integral, then phi also we have to take ranging integral, it is phi is equal to 0 to 2 pi, then one more third quantity is radius, that is r ranging between 0 to r. Okay, so the rho v they have given. What is rho v? That is 5 r e raised to minus to r, this is given, then dv is you have calculated r dr d phi dz. This you have to solve. So in this z and phi you can integrate it directly. So this will become as directly phi u integration z dz is into L you will get into phi is 2 pi you will get. Then the integration remains is r equal to 0 to r, then r square e raised to minus 2r into dr. So this you can solve using UV rule. So I think UV rule you know, u into v, integration u into v, it is if it is dx, this is nothing but u integration of v into dx minus integration u dash integral v dx into dx. This you have to solve. So therefore if I take integration of r square e raised to minus 2r into dr, this is nothing but u remains as it is, that is r square, and integration of e raised to minus 2r into dr minus integration u dash means differentiation of u, that is 2r, then integration e raised to minus 2r dr into dr. Okay, so this will reduce to what? R square integration e raised to minus 2 into dr minus integration 2r, integration of this is nothing but e raised to minus 2r divided by minus 2 into dr. Okay, so again if I reduce this, I am going to get as this. If I reduce, it will become r square this integration is e raised to minus 2r divided by minus 2 plus integration r e raised to minus 2r into dr. Okay, so this remains. Next what happens? This is equal to, so this is equal to, this is minus 1 by 2, rearrange it, minus 1 by 2 r square e raised to minus 2r, then plus, again you apply the integration by parts. So it is again r integration e raised to minus 2r into dr minus integration, r differentiation is 1, then integration of e raised to minus 2r dr into dr. So this value you will get it as minus 1 by 2 r square e raised to minus 2r plus r into e raised to minus 2r divided by minus 2, then minus integration of e raised to minus 2r divided by minus 2 into dr. Okay, this value is going to remain. Okay, next, so again if I do integration, what I am going to get? Minus 1 by 2 r square e raised to minus 2r minus 1 by 2 r into e raised to minus 2r, then minus its integration is e raised to minus 2r divided by 2, this into 2, then this is already minus to minus plus, then this minus comes here, so it is 1 by 4 e raised to minus 2r. Okay, then if I apply the limits to this, that is 0 to r limits, so the final value you are going to get it as minus 1 by 2 r square e raised to minus 2r minus 1 by 2 r into e raised to minus 2r, then minus 1 by 4 e raised to minus 2r plus 1 by 4. This 1 by 4 is due to the, if I substitute 0, if I substitute 0, this becomes what? E raised to 0 is 1, then minus of minus, this becomes the plus, so it is plus 1 by 4. So what is total Q? So the total Q value is now 5u into 2 pi into L into this minus 1 by 2 e raised to minus 2r into r square minus 1 by 2 r e raised to minus 2r minus 1 by 4 e raised to minus 2r plus 1 by 4. This is the Q value. So this equation you can take it as some equation number 4. Then we have previously one Q value, that is dr r 2 pi into L. So that Q and this Q, that Q and this Q can equate and get the answer. So that answer is here. So if I equate that, you are going to get as dr is equal to 5u divided by r into minus 1 by 2 r square e raised to minus 2r minus 1 by 2 e raised to minus 2r into r minus 1 by 4 e raised to minus 2r plus 1 by 4. So this is the dr value. Then d is, therefore d becomes dr into ar. So this is equal to 5 divided by r inside bracket minus, just rearrange, r square e raised to minus 2r divided by 2 minus r into e raised to minus 2r divided by 2 minus e raised to minus 2r divided by 4 plus 1 by 4 in the direction of AR. This value is in coulombs per meter square. So this is the final D value. So till this much you have to solve. Okay. So some further problems I am going to teach you in the next class. Thank you.